You could totally eat this chicken off of my tailgate right now. Let me explain. Hey guys, welcome to another video. I hope you enjoyed that. I kept it in the bags. I didn't want to be cleaning up chicken juices. Again, we got bugs flying right now. I just installed this Mountain Hatch tailgate table. Here's a little quick pop-up for you. Right off the cuff, this is not an ad or a promotion for this product in any way. I'm not sponsored by these guys. However, this is just a chance for me to share my passion and connect with you guys, right? This is something we all enjoy, upgrading and modifying our truck. But let's go ahead, let's jump into it. So this tailgate table, it is FDA approved HDPE. And basically that means the plastic that it is will not be leaching into any food, into my chicken. And I probably will be using it for that purpose in the near future. It has these cutouts. As you saw, we have a place for our drinks, our phone, whatever it may be, so they're not slipping and sliding around as you're using this thing. And I think something needs to be said about convenience. Right here, convenience, we've always been chasing convenience, right? Ever since the dawn of time. All right, that's a little dramatic. But in modern days, I mean, we have tap to pay. You could pull out a little plastic credit card, tap the dumb little machine, and you just paid for something, right? It's convenient. And I think we all enjoy a little bit of convenience in our life. As I said earlier, we take a mod that we think is gonna be convenient to us, and we take our truck, we smash those things together and make our trucks work for us, right? This tailgate table is gonna be convenient for me in a few ways. First one, if you have a second gen Tacoma like I do and you see the old tailgate has ridges, setting stuff down in those ridges, you might tip something over or spill. Now, if you're being careful and you're not a little clumsy like I am, you can manage. Those ridges are pretty close together. Those little gaps in the old tailgate are actually doable. You shouldn't be able to spill anything. But that's just one thing to start off our conversation. Hey, real quick, I'm doing a giveaway for a hat and some other merch. If you comment down below right now, I watched the whole video, send me that hat. You will be entered into the giveaway. And yes, if you commented on the video announcing the giveaway, this will count as an additional entry. So make sure you go back and watch that video, comment down below there, and any of the other videos that count, as well as this one, and you will be entered for the giveaway for a free hat, some free merch. Thank you guys so much. Let's continue this video. Look at how awesome that view is. The second one relating to those ridges and those gaps in the tailgate and the liner and whatnot. If you've ever had to crawl back into the truck bed or onto the tailgate, it tears up your knees. It hurts crawling on this thing, right? The old tailgate, the ridges in the truck bed. If you have to grab something in the front of the truck bed, sometimes it sucks crawling back there on your knees, right? Or even standing and shuffling your feet. Those gaps can catch your shoes. They can catch your feet, at least they have for me. Another prime example for how convenient this is gonna be for me. If there's any Tacoma dads out there that can relate. So I have a 2-year-old son. We go to water parks. We go out playing. I love going outside with my son, and he tends to get wet, dirty, whatever it may be. I need a spot to change his clothes, change his diaper, and the old tailgate, laying him down on that, I mean, it hurts, right? If it hurts me, it's hurting him. And so what I've done in the past, add a little blanket, right? Or even the diaper bag, having the changing pad to add a little protection. But this is gonna be so nice, having it nice and flat. If I don't wanna get my seat all wet, or honestly, there's not enough room in the back passenger seats for his body to lay down while I change him. So this is gonna be awesome. I have yet to test it out with him, but I already know, just from past experience with the old tailgate, I'm actually excited to take him out, get him wet and have to change his clothes on the back of my tailgate. Anyway, we get him changed on this. He's gonna be ready to rock and roll in no time. I'm actually pretty stoked. So if you can relate to that, leave it down in the comments. All the taco dads out there. And this next one, I mean, it's not a huge issue before with the old tailgate, but I mean, loading things in here, I don't have those gaps anymore to catch on gear or whatnot as I'm sliding it in. It's actually pretty nice to have something, I mean, there you go, it's flat like this to just slide crap into your back of your truck, and you're ready to rock and roll. We're ready to go. So that was another thing that came to mind when I was loading the stroller back up into here. I just noticed I set it down, slid it in, and it was more convenient, right? It was a lot easier, a little less work for me. And that's the whole point. We love these machines, we love these toys, we love these trucks. I think that's why we mod them, we install stuff that's gonna work for us. We wanna create less work, less effort for our trucks so we can have more fun when we're out and about ourselves, with our friends, with our family. Adding any kind of convenience or mod that will work for you and those situations is what it's all about. And that's why I always love bringing these kind of videos for you guys. I don't want it to seem like an ad or like I'm trying to promote this thing and make you guys go buy it. Honestly and truly, like, I got this thing and I have so much fun and so much joy sharing it with you here on the camera and bringing these kind of videos and seeing your response that you have no idea. It's overwhelmingly fun and great to see and exciting to see that sort of stuff. So I really hope that comes through in the editing past the video to you who's watching this right now. You guys mean the world to me. Put a lot of effort into these videos. If you guys have seen that, be sure to hit the subscribe button and like the video. Again, comment down below for the giveaway and your favorite mod on your truck. And I will see you guys in the next one. Got chicken juice everywhere. Oh man, this is so fun. So fun, I enjoy it. And no, it's not going to waste. We're actually gonna put this in the fridge. Or maybe just have it tonight for dinner. I didn't leave it out very long.